How to turn on an iPhone 14. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn on an iPhone 14. So let's say you just bought an iPhone 14. It may be the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Plus and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So currently I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max with me. So in this video, I'll show you how you can turn this thing on for the first time. So it is not really that hard. All you have to do is simply press one button, which you will find on the right side of your phone. It is the power button. So all you have to do is simply long press on the button until the Apple logo appears. And once the Apple logo appears, simply let go and then wait for your phone to turn on. Now, if you haven't reset your phone, you will be taken to the start page. And if you have not already set up your phone, you will be taken to the start or the hello page. But if you have already set up your iPhone, you will be simply taken to your lock screen. And now, in order to unlock your phone, simply swipe up. And now you can either use your passcode or you can use your Face ID to unlock your phone. So that is basically how you turn on an iPhone 14. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.